So this is Ollama bot which I created. This is very simple and easy to execute. I have created a llama util class, a wrapper kind of class. So here this LLM util, what it does is it actually, we don't need to run the Ollama explicitly. So far we have seen download the model and we need to run using Ollama command explicitly to bring out the language model. But using this wrapper class, we don't need to do or execute those steps in the terminal. We can simply initiate this class in our Python code and we can pass any model which is hosted by Ollama, and this wrapper class will take care of starting the Ollama and running the model which we have given it. Let's go through step by step. So this is LLM util, a class where it gets initialized with a model name. Class, whoever is initializing this class, they can only initialize and ask the queries. So during the initialization, they can provide the model name, and the model name will get saved locally within the class, and soon after that the Ollama will get started. So it makes sure Ollama is running as a first step. Once Ollama started running, it checks for the model whether it is installed locally or not. If it is not installed, then this class will take care of fetching the model locally, and it will start as a next step. So that is the purpose of this LLM util class. We can find it in the repository which I will be sharing in this episode's description. So now let's take a look at Ollama bot. So this wrapper class doesn't have any logic to execute. It only takes care of Ollama, bring up the model. So this class Ollama bot is similar to the Mistral bot what we have seen in our previous episode. So here I can name Sitara, or I can name Llama 3.2. So the models are available in my local now. This is the chat loop which we have seen in our past demonstration, and we can simply run this now. I'm going to quit the Ollama which I ran previously. Let's run Python Ollama bot.py. So LLM now, it says it is initialized for Sitara, and Ollama is, because I just quit the Ollama, so Ollama is, it says Ollama is not running and trying to start it. So Ollama started automatically, and say model Sitara is already available. Now if I give any input like explain me what is AI, so let's see what it does. The model clearly replied saying that this is not my area of expertise. Ask me anything specific to food which I can help with. It's not going to answer if we ask something which is irrelevant to the model's knowledge base. Let's ask, suggest me a, because earlier I think when we are running Ollama directly, we're able to see word by word gets printed in the screen, but now because we are running the code, the language model is directly returning the entire response in a single instance. Considering you're in Hyderabad for your food vacation, blah blah blah, Hyderabadi chicken biryani with reduced oil, okay, so it's giving suggestions what kind of biryani we can have. And good thing is it is very much conscious about our health because it's a nutritionist. It is considering all its area of expertise as a nutritionist and preparing our choice of food which we can have as a lightweight lunch in Hyderabad. This is how we can actually make Ollama execute within our Python code as well without running Ollama commands in the terminal.